everyone, how are you doing? Sorry, I got some hair in my face. Before we begin today's video, I just want to say a few things. First, I'll start off on a more positive note. Today is the last day to enter my giveaway to win the new ABH Riviera palette. If you have not yet entered, I will leave the giveaway video link down in the description box. And second, I just want to say the box I'm opening today, I do not support and I do not suggest you buy, but I am bringing you this video so you can make an informed decision on your purchases. So I'm not going to tell you what to do or not to do. I just want to make it clear that I'm not advertising for this company. I'm just telling you my experience in unboxing the box. So, as you probably read from the title of this video, I am opening up my Babebox for March 2019. This is the second and last box I will be getting from this company. If you did not see my first video, I will definitely, I'll leave that in and down below in the description box if you want to check that out. But before we get started, let me just tell you a little bit about what they say on their website. So it says Babebox by Folklore, beauty curated for you. Your subscription includes a monthly box delivery of 5 to 6 full-size products, all curated just for you. So you get 5 to 6 full-size products, and they're supposed to be a value of over $150, and you pay only $29 a month, and it says it's cruelty-free. There is also a shipping charge, so it's like $36 or something like that. And then they say get your Babebox your first month free, so you only pay shipping, which is $6.95. So that is what I did. Someone told me about this, and without doing any research, which was a mistake, I purchased this box. So I was under the impression that you could just cancel at any time, because that's kind of what the website implies. But somewhere in the fine print somewhere, I guess, I don't know, fine print, you would think it'd be somewhere on the main page. I guess it's like in their frequently asked questions. But apparently if you sign up for the free box, you have to continue for at least another month and pay full price for your second month, or they will charge you. Like there's really no way to get out of it. You have to get the second box. So that is what we have here. I have emailed them twice actually to cancel since this time, and I, just before filming, actually heard back. So my first email was nice. I was just like, I no longer want to continue the subscription. Will you please cancel it? And then they said they had to get approval for my cancellation, and I didn't hear back for days. Like this was last week. So today I sent kind of a mean email. I'm not a mean person. If you watch my videos, I mean, I'm not, you know, I'm not too tough, but like if I have to be, I will be. And I got an email today that said it was canceled like right before filming. So I'm no longer going to be getting this, which is good. But yeah, so also on their website, besides the free box, it says, yeah, get $150 in value and pay only $29, which we will see. I have my computer in front of me, clearly. I'm reading from it right now. I'm going to look up the pricing of everything in this box, and we're going to see, is it worth it? And then it says premium picks, full-size premium products, and then cruelty-free. So, yeah. One thing I gotta say, the box is pretty cute. It looks like it went through like a little bit of damage like on the way here. But the box is cute. It says, hey babe, I'm finally home. And it has like some makeup and stuff on it, so that is cute. So let me get some scissors and open this, and let's see. I have no idea what's in this box. I saw my friend unboxed it, but I avoided watching it because I want this video to be a surprise and give my own opinion. So when I open it, this is what I see. There wasn't a card in the last month's. So it says tips for the perfect unboxing. Step 1, take unboxing video on it. Step 2, try it on. And step 3, share the love. And then it says get your next box free. I don't know how that's true. They also said that if you have refer any friends, you get a box free. And one of you actually asked me for my referral code because they wanted to try it and they knew I would get a bonus from it too. But I contacted the company and the referral program does not exist, despite what the website says. Anyways, underneath here are the products. I want to pull out the first thing that looks interesting to me. It says, as seen on TV, flawless facial hair remover removes hair instantly and pain-free. It says it's perfect for facial hair, gentle for all skin types, dermatologist approved, 18 karat gold plated. What? A built-in light, it's discreet. They make it seem like it's like a vibrator or something. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I don't really have much hair. I'm like such a fair person, but I do have like baby hair and stuff, but I don't, Let's see what this is all about. This kind of seems like cheap packaging. It seems like something's missing from it, doesn't it? Like there should be something right there, and it looks kind of dirty. But yeah, something, whatever's here is not there now. I'm looking like nothing fell out or anything like that. Oh, maybe that's like where a battery comes. I don't know, but it says you have to install a battery, which is not included. Oh, this is the paper that comes inside it. But yeah, it seems like something is missing. Let's see. And there's like a little brush. I cannot figure out what this is. So it says remove the cap, which I did. And then install battery. And turn it on. Where's the switch? But it seems like the battery's down here. How would you? I don't know. Look, I'm not the dumbest person in the world. I've gotten my doctorate. Like, this just doesn't make sense to me. But let's look up the price of this. This is interesting. They actually sell this on Ulta for $19.99. And then I'm on their website now, and it says it was like featured in all these different things. And this is their bestseller. Yeah, so this is $19.99 apparently. I don't know how it works. It doesn't come with the battery, and it seriously does seem like something is missing. I don't really know what that brush is, and it looks dirty. I don't know. But anyways, apparently that is a item that is $19.99. All right, let's move on to the next item. This is Kiss Beauty Perfect Highlight Liquid. It says Moisture and Shine, and it's like an 03, if that is the color, I'm not sure. I've never heard of Kiss Beauty before. It would be nice if they had a card in here that gave like information on the product. So this comes like with a little doe foot applicator. I'll just swatch it. I honestly am not a fan of liquid highlight, but this doesn't seem too bad. Let's look it up. So this exact item is available on AliExpress, and it is on sale. It's normally $1.40, but it is on sale for 98 cents. And if you guys want like proof of any of this or anything, I'll link. Well, do you guys want me to link it down below? Just Google the names and you can find this yourself. But okay, 98 cents for the second product. Third item is by Fuera Dumi Rosewater Priming Setting Mist. And it actually doesn't look like there's any alcohol or anything in it, which is good. And it says it's cruelty free. Ingredients are rose water, vegetable glycerin, distilled water, witch hazel, and mica. I don't know if mica is good for you or not. Let me know if you guys know. This says it's an illuminating, refreshing, skin conditioning setting spray. The beautiful and balancing mist with rose water, rose flower extracts, and botanicals helps hydrate, restore, and soften the skin while giving you a gorgeous glow. It is for dryness, dullness, and uneven skin tone. Shake for best results. So it's in this like holographic box. It's seriously like gold looking. I don't know if I would put that on me. I'll spray it on my arm though. I've never had a setting mist that had a color. Let's see if you guys... Oh, the mister isn't too bad. Okay, it's like all over my arm. How does it feel? It doesn't really smell like roses that much. Maybe a little bit. I just see like specks of glitter, which I'm not really a fan of. I actually use an illuminating setting spray right now. I'm almost done with it, but I use the Cover FX illuminating setting spray, and this is like $27 or something like that. Like, I like it. I don't know if I'm gonna purchase it again, but it doesn't actually leave my face glittery. Like, my arm kind of looks sparkly right now. But the mister on this was pretty good. I'll give it that. Let's see how much this one costs. All these items, like when I start typing it in, come up right away in the Google search bar. So this is available on AliExpress as well. And this is $2.99. Yep. $2.99. I just wanted to make sure it was the exact same one. So, yep, AliExpress, $2.99. Next up, it looks like there's another like mist, which is interesting. Why would we, you know, one mist is more than enough. This is the Putti Dewy Finish Mist and Fix. It says minimizing transfer without adding any color to the skin. Imparts a soft focus, luminous finish to the skin, minimizing the appearance of pores. Yeah, so this is the packaging. Let me get this out. And on that, it says Putti 2. I don't know if that means anything. But two sprays, like, yeah, it says imparts a soft focus, luminous finish to the skin, and all the stuff it says on the outer packaging. Yeah, when I sprayed it again, it's like a lot of liquid on my arm. I don't know if you'll be able to tell that. I don't want it to spill everywhere. This just seems like it's like water, and it doesn't have the ingredients. Let me make sure. Oh, here are the ingredients. It was on the box. Water, propanediol, sodium hyaluronate, beta-glucan, 3 citric acid, hydrolyzed pearl, Hemelius virgiana extract, olive fruit water, butanediol, rose flower, folic acid, phenoxyacetal, and ethyl hexaglycerol. If you want to pause it and look, it's really small print. I have a feeling there's anything special. Oh, my skin just is so wet now. It just feels like water. So this is available on AliExpress for $2.69. And then the last thing in here is something we got in the first box. This is it, is a Crystal Collagen Gold Powder Eye Mask. And I think from, if I can recall correctly, like a set of 4 or 5 of these was less than $1. I never use them, by the way, but let's look it up. Wow, so you can get a pair, so 1 pack of these on AliExpress for 8 cents. Can't make this shit up. So here are the 5 items. Let me tally this up, but clearly this does not add up to over $150 or even close. So let me get my handy dandy phone / calculator out. So the total cost is $26.73, which I paid over $30 for. What a freaking scam. Yeah, to say the least, like, I already knew this was a joke, so, but seriously, some people, I mean, even I am one of these people, spent my own money on this, our hard-earned money, like, and this is not even the $29 before the shipping even. It doesn't even come up to it. And like the one item that gave any weight to this is like this hair removal thing, and it seems like defective. I don't know. I still don't even believe that's $19. It doesn't seem like it'll really work. I don't want that. I don't know how safe it is. Do your research if you want something like that. But yeah, this was a joke. A total joke. So I'm so sorry for anyone else who experienced what I have. I definitely wouldn't recommend this, so I'm not leaving their link down in the description box like I usually do. But for some reason this appeals to you, you can just Google Babebox, but save your dollar. But let's move on to happier things. Giveaway ending tonight, so definitely make sure you enter. This palette is beautiful. I have on the same look as my that I had on in my Sephora video yesterday, so if you want to check that out, you definitely can. I love it. This palette is beautiful. You can do both neutral and bright looks. I'm so excited for one of you to win. All the giveaway rules are in the video, linked in the description box. It is open international. I'm just so happy. I'm gonna let you guys know. I'll probably do a quick giveaway announcement video tomorrow, so look out for that. And anyways, thank you guys so much for being here. I'm sorry I was more negative than usual. I try and always be a positive person, but I'm also real. I keep it real and honest, so I hope you guys appreciate that. Anyways, thank you again for being here. I love you guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.